What's up guys, in this video we will be reviewing another NFT top project this 2023. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so to start off this video, I would like to give you an idea on what NFT is. We also have an in-depth review on what NFT is, and it's available on our channel. Go ahead and check them out. So NFT stands for the non-fungible token. Non-fungible means that something is unique. It cannot be replaced. By contrast, physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, which means that they can be traded or exchanged for one another. Now, every NFT contains a digital signature which makes each one unique. Now, NFTs are digital assets that could be photos, could be videos, it could be audio files, or another digital format. NFT examples include artwork, you have comic books, you have sport collectibles, you have trading cards, you have music NFTs, and more. Okay, so those are NFTs. Now, this is the landing page of Krypto Miners Club, and this is something that I strongly recommend that you check out, okay, and then see for yourself if this is something that has a good potential, and if this is something that you might be interested in investing in. All right, so Krypto Miners, let's go ahead and check out their website landing page. The link will be in the description of the video. Krypto Miners Club, unique 8,888 NFT collections backed by Bitcoin mining, created sustainable long-term passive incomes for holders. So what is Krypto Miners about? It is a project focused on creating a long-term passive income for our NFT holders, with that 8888 NFTs generating sustainable and multiple streams of income for years. Now, their NFTs will be an inheritance to pass on to the next generation, and that is what they are all about. Now, their NFTs will be powered by Bitcoin mining using the green energy, ensuring the electricity cost is lowest and creating a sustainable revenue stream for the community. So NFT holders will be getting rewards in Bitcoin from mining and additional payouts from the investment done from the community wallet. What are their vision? And this is actually something that I like about them. The vision is to provide easy and hassle-free access to Bitcoin mining for everyone. And according to the recent research, Bitcoin mining is highly concentrated business. It is a highly concentrated business, with 10% of Bitcoin miners control 90% of the mining capacity on Bitcoin's network, with 0.1. Now, all of the miners owning 50% of the network mining capacity. Now, I would strongly suggest that you check out and follow their social media platforms like their Twitter, their Discord. Go ahead and check out their LinkedIn as well. That way, when you do your own research, you would know what you're getting yourself into. If they have airdrops, if they have giveaways and all those good stuff, it will definitely be announced in their social media platforms. Now, if you're joined or if you're following them, you'll definitely be informed. What are the roadmap of the Krypto Miners Club? Now, phase 1, 2222 or 2,222 NFTs will be released. A total of 100 S19 J Pro will be released. Miners purchases will be initiated as soon as enough funds are collected. Advance payments for the future orders and further development will be released. So achieved 120 S19 J Pro miners purchased, so that is already achieved. Phase 2, another 2222 or 2,222 NFTs will be released. Additional 150 miners will be purchased and deployed, taking a total of 250 plus ASICs, giveaways of $10,000 in competitions, 3D airdrop for holders, website revamp with more details on operations of the mining farm. Now, again, just like what I mentioned earlier, guys, you have airdrops, you have giveaways and all those good stuff. Make sure to join or follow their social media platforms. That way you will inform when that happens. All right, phase 3, another 2,222 NFTs released, $25,000 worth of airdrops to NFT holders and giveaways. You have crypto education partners and 250 plus miners purchased and deployed for mining farm. Now, for the phase 4, guys, you have 2,222 NFTs released. Again, on that one, $50,000 worth of giveaways and competitions for the holders holders, NFT giveaways, and 300 plus miners will be purchased and deployed. A total of 800 plus miners will be operational and generating Bitcoin every single day. Okay, now dashboard compounding giveaways. Yeah, the live dashboard will be released as soon as the mining farm is activated. And you also have additional benefit and plans. You have metaverse opportunities, the play to earn game partnerships, cloud mining services, exclusive holder deals, and merchandise. And in real life or IRL meets will be arranged per community voting. Now, these are basically the steps on how you can mint. So Krypto Miners Club collection has 8,888 unique NFTs. However, only 688 NFTs will be released in phase 1. Instructions before you mint. The NFTs will be available on Polygon blockchain for minting. Sale will be open for whitelist first, then the public mint. Okay, for phase 1, a maximum of 20 NFTs can be minted per wallet. USD on Polygon will be required for minting, and the price for public sale will be at $275 USDT per NFT, and then NFTs will be revealed post mining. So those are the instructions on how you can mint. So connect your wallet, select the quantity, and then confirm the transaction, and then you will receive your NFT. So these are the team behind the Krypto Miners Club. So they actually made a face reveal, which I like, because again, guys, not all projects team members reveal their faces. The ones that you could check if you would like to know more information on the people behind the project. So they're partners. They are in Polygon, Crypto Oasis. They are KYC'd and audited. And then you have the FAQs in here. You can go through this if you have other questions that you would like to be answered. You can do this during your spare time. And again, guys, I would strongly suggest that you follow their social media platforms. That way you will definitely be informed on whatever updates, whatever giveaways or airdrops they are doing. You will definitely know that. If you are new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out.